The entire universe follows a set of rules that cannot be broken. These rules, also known as universal laws or principles, are always active no matter where you are. Some of these laws deal with the physical world, while others relate to the quantum or spiritual realms. Spiritual laws are just as reliable as the physical laws and have an impact on every aspect of life on Earth. For thousands of years, ancient mystics and philosophers have been aware of and discussed these spiritual laws. However, the majority of people today remain uninformed about them. These spiritual laws have been passed down through generations of wisdom and teachings, but they have not received widespread recognition and understanding. Many people believe that if you fully understand and apply these spiritual laws, you can make anything you want to happen in the real world. According to this law, what you sow is what you reap. Many religious scriptures also support this law. Every action, every thought, and every intention you put forth into the world carries an invisible seed, an energy that seeks to return to us in equal measure. It means whatever you plant in your mind, you will eventually manifest in the outside world, just like planting a mango tree. You first gather rich, fertile soil, choose which mango seed you would like to plant, give it ample amounts of water and sunlight, and when the time is right, that seed sprouts into a mighty mango tree. The same goes for your life. Your mind is the soil, your thoughts are the seeds, your actions are the water, and your feelings are the sun. If you sow seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, you will yield a harvest of despair. However, if you sow seeds of love, gratitude, and abundance, you will flourish with beauty and joy. The universe is impartial. It responds to the seeds you sow and faithfully brings forth what you have planted. Steve Maraboli once said, "Plant seeds of happiness, hope, success, and love. It will all come back to you in abundance." This is the law of nature. The reason why most people don't get what they want in life can be attributed to a common tendency to focus and think about the things they don't want. There is a popular saying that goes, "Energy flows where attention goes," and it holds truth. When you concentrate on something, it tends to expand. This is because everything in the universe is made up of energy, and similar energy tends to attract each other. If you constantly focus on the negative aspects or the things you lack, you unintentionally attract more of the same. Your attention and energy are directed towards what you don't desire, and as a result, you find yourself stuck in a cycle of attracting unwanted circumstances. Your thoughts and consciousness are closely tied to the world around you. If you constantly think about something with great focus and intensity, it is likely to become a reality eventually. This idea finds support in quantum physics, particularly through the double-slit experiment, which shows that our conscious observation can influence the outcome of an experiment and shape reality itself. So, to apply this principle, take a moment to consider what you want to accomplish in your life, whether it's something personal or related to your work. Take a piece of paper and write down your goal. Be as specific as possible about what you want to achieve. This act of writing it down will help you clarify your intention and bring focus to your goal. Next, take a moment to visualize yourself already having achieved your desired goal. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living in that reality. Picture the details and circumstances surrounding your accomplishment. Allow yourself to feel the emotions of joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment that would arise from achieving your goal. By visualizing and connecting with these positive emotions, you can cultivate a sense of positivity and confidence about your goal. Thoughts and words alone are not enough to manifest your desires. Action is the bridge that connects your dreams to reality. So, it's time to take action towards your goal. Break it down into smaller manageable steps that you can take each day. These steps can include tasks like making phone calls, sending emails, conducting research, or any action that moves you closer to your goal. And remember, it is through consistent intentional action that you manifest the life you envision. Trust the process. your time is coming. Just do the work, and the results will handle themselves. Believe that the universe is working in your favor. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should and that you will achieve your goal. Embrace the belief that you will receive what you desire at the perfect time for you. So, my friend, plant seeds of expectation in your mind, cultivate thoughts that anticipate achievement, believe in yourself as being capable of overcoming all obstacles and weaknesses, and know this: you can plant wealth, or you can plant poverty, you can plant misery, or you can plant happiness. It's all up to you because you are always reaping what you sow. Speak words of love, encouragement, and empowerment to others and yourself. Let your words be a beacon of hope, a ray of light that illuminates the path to your dreams. Plant seeds of kindness and compassion, for they will grow into a bountiful harvest of goodwill and abundance. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.